Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Bonk. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line of Bonk was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support and it was rising once again. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now let's move to the live chart. And here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that this was the channel. And since after 17th of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. At a bounce here, rejection bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And after a few more rejections, we broke it out. And now again, it was dropped down at the previous resistance of the channel that was working as support. And I was telling you that we need to keep an eye on this support. This is a very significant support of $0.00002479 because this was the major swing low point before the breakout from this channel. And in fact, previously it had been also working as a very strong resistance and support level. Like for several days, it has been working as a resistance here and here it was working as support and here as a resistance. Therefore, now again, it worked as a very, very nice support the price and retested the previous resistance of the channel as support along with this support. Had a long spike up to this support of $0.000247 and geared up. Now we have finally broken out this next very long-term resistance of $0.0003. That was recently working as support here. And before that, this $0.0003 has been breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for NEIRO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 4th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonk. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And finally, we broke out the resistance of the channel here on 2nd of January 2024. But after that, the price line was again dropped down and it was getting accumulated and retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. And after several retests, the price line geared up and now we have recently broken out this very significant resistance of $0.0003 that was previously working as support here for several days. Before that, this $0.0003 has been working as a resistance here and resistance here and resistance here and resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, now after this breakout, it can be again flipped into a nice support for the price line of Bonk. And now we need to break out the next very long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 and goes to 44. It has been previously working as a support here for several days or weeks and resistance here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Bonk. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 6.2. And now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that Bonk has already broken out this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, as per this measurement, can be here, by the way. That is approximately at $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.